Have you ever gotten into your vehicle and for what appears to be no reason have the check engine light turned on, even though everything was fine the last time you drove it? Well, today I have simulated an issue so that I can test out a new product. So let's take a look. This is the BD200 Elite Bluetooth 5.0 OBD2 Scanner with battery testing, performance testing, and check engine code reading from Ancel. It's compatible with the Apple iPhones, iPads, as well as Android. Ancel is a global leader in automotive diagnostic technology, providing software development, maintenance, updates, and customer services related to automotive testing. This product has features such as performance testing, trip analysis, dashboard for seeing your gauges, a DTC lookup, battery test, check engine light reading, and diagnostics reporting. It works very well with a variety of manufacturers and is fairly simple to use. In order to use this product, all you need to do is locate the OBD2 port below the steering wheel and plug it in. Then, open your iPhone or Android device and look up Ancel in the search bar. Download the Ancel application and open it. The scanner will automatically pair with the app once it's ready. So, the first thing I will do is check my battery health. Clicking on the battery check icon, it takes us to the battery meter. Here we'll have to make sure that the vehicle is turned off before the test begins. So, since I've been sitting in the truck for a while without turning the truck on, the battery voltage is showing that it's weak at around 11.35 volts. So this is a nice feature to do a quick battery diagnostic to see the health of the battery. You can see on the graph how much the battery dipped while starting the truck, going as low as 7.76 volts, then spiked almost to 15 volts and leveled back out at 11.4 volts. Next, we'll take a look at the diagnostic menu. It will take about 15 seconds to establish a communication with the vehicle before we can dive deeper into our scanner's features. Now that we are connected, we're going to look at the check engine light and see if the scanner can pick up the correct code to diagnose and fix the problem. Here we can see that two DTCs, P0113 and P0102, were found and the status of these DTCs. By clicking on the DTC, you can get more information of the code along with possible issues. I'm going to go ahead and press on the Google button, which takes me to a visual of what the problem might be. Here it says that something is wrong with my mass airflow sensor and even shows a photo of what I should be looking for. So let's go ahead and see if this is correct. Wow, if someone was not very savvy with vehicles, this would be a very useful tool to diagnose issues. Say you're assembling the intake wrong and forgot to plug in the wire. This would help pinpoint the location where to examine and potentially help you get back up and running on a simple issue such as this. So I'll try and erase the codes and see if they'll be gone. It will tell you a few prompts while erasing, and then just to be sure, I'm going to turn off the truck to see if they will be cleared. After clearing it, the DTC codes still were showing as active, however, the yellow ones were missing. The prompt does say that it may require a few additional drives before it will fully clear, so that's probably why they're still here. Next, we'll test out to see how the app does while taking in data to do the performance test. You can have it in either kilometers or miles per hour, depending on your location. When you're ready, you just press start, and then it'll give you a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Test complete.
I was not prepared for that test complete sound, and I found it quite funny the first time around. Diving into the results, we'll give you a breakdown of your runs and what your acceleration times were. You can see that your acceleration time, how long it took, max speed, and the highest RPMs reached. Moving on to the trip page, you are able to record your drive, which it will display your RPMs, temperature for select vehicles, as well as your miles per hour on the main screen. Diving further, we can see it recording the time if you are idling, highest and lowest temperatures, highest speed and RPMs reached, the average speed, and the number of rapid braking that occurred during the trip. And at the end of your trip, you are able to see an overview from the recorded data stored from the entire trip. There's a screen called I Am Readiness, which scans the entire vehicle for all the available data that the scanner is capable of reading. It checks for misfires, fuel system monitoring, comprehensive component monitoring, catalyst monitoring, evaporative system monitoring, secondary air system monitoring, oxygen sensors, and more. In each of the fields, you are able to click onto and further investigate additional information of what the status and values are of each of the sensors evaluated. You can also use this device as an additional gauge cluster, showing up to 9 different points of information that you might be interested in. You can customize where they are located and the gauge style.
So there you guys have it, the review of the Ancel BD200 OBD2 Scanner for your vehicle. And so I am doing a giveaway for this item. If you guys are interested, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and send a comment down below that I know that you guys are interested. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next project.